Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 9th standard mathematics. The first chapter is set language. The first sum, if n of a equal to 25, n of b equal to 40, n of a union b equal to 50, n of b dash equal to 25, find n of a intersection b and n of u. What is the formula n of a intersection b? Santosh, Dinesh, Dibesh, tell me the answer. What is the n of a intersection b formula? Here n of a intersection b is formula. The formula n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. This is n of a intersection b formula. Then we know that given the values are here, given n of a is equal to 25, then n of b is equal to 40, then n of a union b equal to 50, then n of b dash equal to 25. Okay, yeah? Now substitute the values here. N of a intersection b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Now what is the n of a value? 25. So you have to substitute in the values n of a equal to 25. Then what is n of b value? 40. So substitute the value 40. Then minus n of a union b. What is n of a union b value? 50. So you have to substitute the value 50. Then here 25 plus 40, how much? 65. So 65 minus 50. So 65 minus 50, what is the value? 15. So that is the answer. Then now you have to find another one, n of u. How to find n of u? We know that n of b dash, given the values, you have to use n of b plus n of b dash equal to n of u. So here we know that n of b dash value and then n of b value. So you have to substitute the values n of b. N of b equal to 40 and then the next value is n of b dash. What is n of b dash value? 25. So you have to substitute in the values 25. Then is equal to n of u. So here n of u equal to, so here 40 plus 25, how much? 65. So here n of u value is 65 and then n of a intersection b value is 15. That's it answer. Okay, any doubt? That's it. The second sum, if u, what is u? Universal set. Universal set is x such that x belongs to natural number, then x less than or equal to 10. So here x less than or equal to 10 means you have to write up to 10. So here what is n? Natural number. What is natural number? Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, so on. It is called natural number. So you have to write universal set u. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is universal set and then you have to write a set. What is a set? 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. So here, so how many elements are there in the set A? N of A. So you have to write first n of u equal to, so how many elements? 10. Then what is n of A value? N of A equal to number of elements set A. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So you have to write 5 and then next what is n of b? You have to find n of b. Here given the values b set is 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So you have to write b set is 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So how many elements are there in the set b? So 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of b equal to 5. then here we have to find n of A intersection B and then n of A union B. How to find n of A union B and n of A intersection B? First we have to find A union B and A intersection B. Here first you have to find A union B and A intersection B. Okay, so first one A union B and then second one A intersection B. So here how to find A union B? Joining the elements of A, set A and B. So what is the elements of set A? Set A is 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. Then union. What is B set? B set is 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So here joining the elements of A and B. So here, so not repeat the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. That's it. This is A union B. And then the next one A intersection B. How to find A intersection B? So here, so common elements of set A and B. So here A set is here 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. Then intersection. What is B set? 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So what are elements are common here? So here 2 is a common element. So 2 is a common element. Next element is, what is a common element? Next element 8. And the next element 10. So 10 is a common element. So you have to write 2, 8, 10. That's it. That is A intersection B. So here A intersection B is equal to 2, 8, 10. So here you have to find n of A and B. Now we can find n of A and B. The first one. So here n of A union B is equal to, how many elements are there in the A union B set? So here count the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 elements. So you have to write the 7 element and then you have to find n of A intersection B. So how many elements are there in the A intersection B? So how many elements are there in the A intersection B? 1, 2, 3. So only 3 elements. So you have to write the 3. Then you have to verify that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. So now n of A union B is equal to n of A, n of B plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So now apply the values. What is n of A union B value? N of A union B value is 7. So you have to substitute the value 7. And then what is n of A value? Already given the value statements, n of A equal to 5. So 5 and then plus what is n of B value? Again 5. So 5 minus what is n of A intersection B? N of A intersection B value is 3. So you have to substitute 3. Then 7 equal to 10 minus 3. So 7 equal to 10 minus 3? 7. So 7 equals 7. Hence verified. So hence verified. Any doubt in the sum? Okay, are you clear? Okay, third sum, verify n of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Then here given the values, A set is 1, 3, 5 and B set is 2, 3, 5, 6 and C set is 1, 5, 6, 7. So how to find here n of A, n of B, n of C, next n of A intersection B, next n of B intersection C, next n of A intersection C, then after final n of A intersection B intersection C. So here verify. So first you have to find individual values. Then after you substitute in the in this case given the statement. So then after you verify, so LHS equal to RHS, then hence verified. This is a format. First you have to find one by one. First you have to find first n of a. So here given the values n, a set is 135. A set is 135. A set is 135 and B set is 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. And then C set. And C set is, so what is C set? C set is 1567. 1567. So here C set is 1567. And then you have to find first n of a. Sir. Here A set is 135. So n of a equal to, how many elements are there in the set A? 1, 2, 3. And then next B set is 2, 3, 5, 6. How many elements are there in the set B? So B set is 4 elements. So n of B equal to 4. So next C set is 1567. So how many elements are there in C set? C set is 4. Then you have to find A intersection B and B intersection C, A intersection C, and then A intersection B intersection C. So one by one you have to find first A intersection B. So how to find A intersection B? So first you have to write A set is 1, 3, 5 and B set is 2, 3, 5, 6. So what are the elements are common in the set A and B? Here 3 and 5 only. So you have to write 3, 5. So only 2 elements are common. Okay. Then n of A intersection B equal to, how many elements are there in the set A intersection B? So 2. That's it. This is A intersection B. You have to find next B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to, first you have to write B set. So B set is 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6 and intersection C set is 1, 5, 6, 7. So what are the elements are common here in the set B and C? So 5 and 6, that's it. So you have to write 5, 6. Okay. Here 5, 6. Here 3, 5. So that's why here writing 3 and 5. N of B intersection C equal to, here how many elements are there in the B intersection C? 2. So here also 2. Then you have to find A intersection C, after A intersection B intersection C, then A union B union C. So first you have to find A intersection C. So here A intersection C is equal to, first you have to write A set. A set is 1, 3, 5 and intersection C set is 1, 5, 6, 7. So here which elements are common? 5. 5 only is a common element. That's it. So n of A intersection C is equal to 1. Understood? Here A set is 1, 3, 5 and C set is 1, 5, 6, 7. So here 1 also common elements. So you have to write 1. So here 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are common elements. then n of A intersection C is equal to, so how many elements are there in the A intersection C? 2. Then you have to find A intersection B intersection C after A union B union C. Now you have to find A intersection B intersection C after you have to find A union B union C. Here A intersection B intersection C. So here A intersection B intersection C is equal to, first you have to write A set. A set, what is A set? 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 and intersection. What is B set? B set is 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6 and intersection. What is C set? 1, 5, 6, 7. So here the 3 set, what is the common elements of the set A, B and C? Here 1. So 2 set is only common elements, and then 3 is also only 2 set is common element, and then 5. So every set have 5 is a common element. So you have to write 5 is the common element of the set A, B and C. Okay. Now you have to write 5 only is a common element of set A, B and C. And then you have to find n of A intersection B intersection C. So how many elements are there in the A intersection B intersection C? So how many elements? Only 1 element. So you have to write only 1. The next one, A union B union C you have to find. First A union B union C is equal to, so here you have to write first A set. What is A set? 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 and then union. What is B set? B set is 2, 3, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 5, 6 and union. What is C set? C set is 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Here union means joining the elements of the set A and B and C. So here 1, next 2, next 3, next 4 is not there, next 5. 5 is 3 times, you have to write only 1 time, not repeat the elements in the set, any set. Okay. So here 3 times 5, you have to write only 1 time. Then after 6, next is 7, that's it. So how many elements are there in the set n of A union B union C? Here n of A union B union C is equal to how many elements? So countable elements only. So here, so how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 elements are there. So now you have to substitute in the formula. Here n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Here given the statements are n of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now substitute the values. We know that n of A value is 3. N of A value is 3. Then what is n of B value? 4. So you have to substitute in n of B value is 4. Then after n of C value, what is the value? 4. So 4 you have to substitute, and then what is the n of A intersection B? N of A intersection B value is 2. So minus 2. Then after n of B intersection C, what is the value? 2. So you have to substitute minus 2. Then n of A intersection C, n of A intersection B, what is the value? 2. Then next final plus n of A intersection B intersection C. What is n of A intersection B intersection C? 1. So you have to substitute 1. Then after n of A union B in C, what is the value here? 6. So you have to substitute 6. Then 6 equal to, so positive value only you have to add 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11. And then so here 3 negative values you have to add negative values minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So 3 values are same symbols, so you have to add 3 values. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Here what is the symbol here? Same, minus. So minus you have to write. Okay. Then after 1 plus 1. Then here 11 plus 1 12 minus 6. So here left hand side 6, 6 equal to 12 minus 6, what is the value? 6. So 6 equal to 6. Here verified. So here LHS equal to RHS, therefore hence verified. Ninth standardல நம்ம வந்து மெயினா வந்து n of number of elements பத்தி பார்த்தோம். அதே போல வந்து n of A union B, n of A intersection B, prove the sum, verifications, இந்த மாதிரி சம்ஸ்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து நம்ம இன்றைக்கி கிளாஸில் பார்த்த எல்லா விஷயமும். ஸோ அதே போல் நீங்கள் எல்லா சம்ஸும் தயவுசெய்து வீட்டில் உட்காந்து போட்டு பாருங்கள். அதே போல் வந்து செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் கொஷின் பேங்க் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு கொஷினையும் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பார்த்து அந்த கொஷினை வந்து டெஸ்ட் எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபோட்டோ ஷாட் எடுத்து ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு அனுப்புங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.
I am B. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M.